The creator of Yoga Burn, Zoe Bray Cotton, is a certified yoga instructor with lots of experience in coaching clients. She definitely knows what she's talking about. There are many testimonials on the sales video which serve as solid social proof. This training program shows no signs of losing popularity anytime soon. Yoga Burn is a 12-week program that most people will be able to follow. Everyone who embarks on this program will go through a foundational phase where you'll learn the basic poses. It's imperative that you master these poses first before progressing. That's what makes Yoga Burn so effective. The step-by-step progressive plan helps most people become familiar with yoga so that they can do it effectively. By following this approach, Yoga Burn will truly make you a proficient yoga practitioner in just 3 months. You'll also get a tranquility flow sequence that you can listen to and calm your mind and body. This is a risk-free purchase. Yoga Burn is backed by a 60-day money-back